When we think and desire about studying abroad, the first thing that comes to our mind is the expensive fee. Even though we will get quality education with the state-of-the-art technology, we immediately worry about the expensive fee, the accommodation minimum wage of the first world country, the food expense, books and materials, sanitation, and much, much more. I mean, I could go on and on. You are here today because you have read the title and you are looking forward to study higher education for free in Europe, Canada, and other developed countries to change you and your family's life by building a stable career. So make sure to watch till the end of the video, as I am going to reveal the most demand topic as a human being, success. Before we begin, kindly show your appreciation by liking the video and hit the subscribe button. It will help me and it will reach many people like you who wants to get information. I will show you step by step so that you won't get confused and for you to apply this information carefully. My name is Abraham. You are watching Abrish Advanced. Let's dive in. As a former college student like many of us out there, I know that planning to study overseas can be very much time consuming and difficult. Some people may have a big dream but a limited budget. Some may pay expensive fee for agents to apply for them. I don't need to pay anything for anyone. Just make sure to watch this short video to do it all by yourself for free and without paying any excess fee to anyone. The good facts about studying abroad is the exciting opportunity to get those benefits like improving your language skills, experiencing a different style of teaching, impress employers with your first world country degree. You will be enhancing your network while learning about new cultures and perspectives. Easy to develop your confidence without always being in your comfort zone. Of course, you will see the world too and discover satisfying and life-changing career opportunities. I know it's exciting. You have finished your high school senior year or you took a gap year. Maybe you wanted to do your master's degree abroad. Well, don't worry. This video is for everyone. Even if you are planning to study as undergraduate or master's student, make sure you are not skipping the video and make sure to watch till the end. So guys, go onto your PC and I'll drop the link in the description. So this is the website. Then go to the about page right here. Then it says is a broad and wide opportunity discovery platform for youth all around the world. So like I said, anyone can apply and get a free education. It's not just only a scholarship, but it also has a free, tuition-free courses for undergraduate and master's students. So they provide all education opportunities under one umbrella to help students around the world to let them know about the opportunities and the one who aims to attain these opportunities. So they have a lot of broad options for us to choose from. Then we're going to go ahead to the main deal. We're going to click on the scholarship. So this is the main deal. Just watch the video carefully because I want you to apply and get accepted. And the acceptance rate is 100% success. No matter where you apply, you're gonna get accepted. So just follow me carefully. So after we jump to the scholarship category, we have a different options. For example, let's go to Norway. We don't need IELTS to get accepted for this school, and it's 100% free. It says ready for Norway scholarship without IELTS, fully funded. So bear with me, guys. They say, oops, there's a pop-up menu. Let me close it. It says ready to study in Norway. Apply for the Norway scholarship without IELTS. Norway is best because studying in Norway will improve your career possibilities, both at home and abroad. Also note that Norway has allowed international students from anywhere in the world to study at their public university free of charge. Do you read this? Free of charge. No tuition fee will be charged to international students. Where the opportunity, there are also popular scholarships in Norway, and you can get admission in Norway without IELTS. So you see, guys, you don't have to pay anything. Just follow my step and you will get a free education of your dreams. So it says getting admission to Norway University is not hard. Also, you can study without IELTS in Norway in some of the Norwegian university. That does not mean that none of the English language text is required. There are some protocols and ways that how you can study in Norway without IELTS. There are some exceptions from submitting IELTS score. So this just says that if you have your high school education paper, like they just want to know that you studied your high school with English language. So if you submit that, you're all good. So it don't matter about the IELTS. Just bear with me. The Norwegian Scholarship are available to bachelor's, master's, and PhD degree programs like Norway. There are many other countries in Europe also. So guys, we're going to check this list. This is the main list. We have different kind of universities. For this, we have listed down some tuition-free universities. These are the tuition-free universities in Norway for international students. For example, let me show you a couple of these offers. So guys, let's try this one. You just copy this and put it on the tab, then paste and search it. So the University of Agder. Let me show you about this one, because this is very interesting. It says it is a young and modern university located in the southern Norway. So they say come and study with us with no application fee and tuition free. Can you imagine? It says no application fee and tuition fee. So there you have it, guys. They have 2 campuses and a lot of faculties. Also, they have a museum, and it's pretty good actually. It's pretty legit. So the next thing you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to scroll down, and it says send an email right here. You just contact them with this email and tell them you want to join their university, which is in University of Agder. Then they'll tell you what documents you need without IELTS and without tuition fee. And by the way, guys, in Norway, when they say if they ask you for any tuition fee, it's very, very cheap, mind you, guys. For example, I choose one university from this list, another university, then I have searched it right here, and it's very amazing, guys. It's very cheap for some of you who want to pay a tuition fee, which is very, very little. It's nothing, like it's totally free. I showed you the free one. It says no tuition fees right here, but this also, this is their currency, NOK, the Norway currency, and this university says the semester fee for 2022 is a total of 851 NOK per semester. The fee consists of semester fee, ICT fee, Copinor fee, and Namibia NOK. So, okay, let's try it. When you add this all, it will add up to 851. It says the total of the semester fee. So let's convert this currency and let's see how much dollar is it per semester, mind you guys. So 851, let's go right here and just 1 Norwegian kron is 11 US dollar cents. So let's just type 851. Can you imagine, guys? Only $96 per semester. This is very, very cheap, and it is very much legit as you've seen it. It's a very cool website. Share with your family and friends and change your future by paying no tuition fee or close to $96 or $100 per semester. So this is it, guys. If you want more of these exclusive videos, just subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you for watching.